is a makeup tutorial using only drugstore products. As you guys can see right here, I made a trip to Target and got a bag full of goodies. I hope this video can help some of you guys who are looking for a cheaper alternative of those, high-end makeup. And all of these products I got are brand new, and some of them I've used in the past, but that was like a really long time ago, so everything is pretty new to me. So I would give you guys my really honest feedbacks about how I feel about these products. So if you're interested, keep on watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos when I upload. And also, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up to support your girl. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. And I am just gonna start off my makeup with this Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer. I've actually heard a lot of great things about this. This product actually has been on the market for a pretty long time actually, and surprisingly I've never tried it. So today I'm just gonna give this a try and see how it goes on my skin. So I'm just gonna squeeze out a little product and just gently apply this all over my face. So right off the bat, it feels really smooth, and it definitely feels more like the Benefit Professional primer. It's definitely blurs out my pores, and it just gives a really nice smooth finish to my skin. And so far so good. I'm liking this. And next, moving on to foundation, I am using this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte in the shade 105. It says on the back that it is a demi matte finish. It's long lasting, which is 24 hours, pretty long lasting, and it's medium coverage. So let's see how this works on my skin. And I am applying this foundation with this sponge I got from Real Techniques. This actually has been on the market for forever. I've never used it. I've been a loyal Beauty Blender fan. Since this is a drugstore makeup tutorial, I figured that this could be a really great alternative for my Beauty Blender. This actually comes with 2 of them, and it only costs for about $10 actually. And for a single Beauty Blender, it costs for about $25. I'm not sure if that's the price, but it's somewhere around that. So it's definitely a lot cheaper, and after I damp this, it feels pretty soft. It's still a little firm inside, but it's overall pretty soft on the outside. So we'll see how this works with this new foundation that I got. So now I'm just gonna squeeze some product onto the back of my hand, maybe about 2 squeezes. So that's my first layer. I'd say it's pretty medium coverage. It does cover a lot of my acne area, but still there's a little redness going through, so like somewhere on my forehead and somewhere around this area. Probably just gonna stop right here because I don't want to cake my face with 10 layers of foundation. So I'm actually pretty satisfied with what it comes out. So now I'm just gonna move on to concealer, and today I'll be using this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer in the shade 150. I've actually used this when I was in high school, and one day my mom just borrowed this from me and kept it in her makeup bag since then. So I was also on the market of searching for new products to, test on my skin, so I stopped using this. And when I went to Target today, this is actually the first product I grabbed from the aisle. And so yeah, let's see if this is still as good as I remembered. So you just twist out the product, and there's a sponge on the top of the tube. And you can see that the product is coming out of the spongy thingy. So now I'm just gonna apply the product onto the under eye area. And I'm gonna use the same beauty blender to blend everything out. And after that, I am gonna use a powder to set my entire face. And today I'm using this L'Oreal True Match powder, super blendable powder in the shade N4. And it comes in this really compact packaging with the powder on the top layer. And then there's a little sponge and a mirror on the back. So since today it's all about the affordable drugstore products, I'm just gonna actually stick with the little sponge that comes with this, and I'm just gonna grab some product onto this spongy thingy and apply this all over my face. Whoa, oh my god. This actually covers so much more than the liquid foundation. And you can see that I'm just setting everything with this little sponge. I'd say probably use a brush that you have because the sponge is just taking a lot of time. That's pretty much it for my foundation. And now we are gonna bronze up our face. And obviously I can't get away from this Physician Formula butter bronzer. Everyone's been raving about this, so I had to get my hands on this. And actually it says on the upright corner saying that it's a light bronzer, so I'm not sure if it's gonna be too light for me, but this is actually the only one left on the shelf, so I guess I'm just gonna work with what I have. And this also comes in 2 layers. On the top layer is this product itself, and on the bottom there's a mirror and a little sponge that comes with it, but I don't know how to apply bronzer with sponge, so I'm just gonna use my own bronzer brush, I guess. So I'm just gonna swirl this onto the product, dust off the excess, and just apply this onto the hollows of my cheeks. This is definitely a little light for me, but I'll just keep applying this over and over again, I guess. This is definitely working on my skin. And now the contouring is done. I am just gonna move on to my brows. And today I'm just gonna use this Revlon Color Stay Brow Pencil in the shade 225. So it comes with a pencil on one side and a spoolie on the other. I'm just gonna test this out and see how it goes. So it definitely takes a lot longer with this product than my Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil because it feels more like a crayon and it sticks on my brows, and it's just really hard to move with this product. But I guess it comes out not too bad. And now I'm just gonna do the other brow. And as you can see, it's definitely pretty dark on my brows right now. So I'm just gonna use the spoolie that it comes with to blend this out. So it's really hard to move the product around. But I mean, it's pretty pigmented, so I'll give it probably like a 6 out of 10. So now that my brows are done, I am just gonna move on to eyes. And I picked this eyeshadow dual palette from e.l.f. in the shade Basti Brown, and it comes with this really cute dual packaging. And as you can see, I picked my favorite color, the neutral, the brown. I'm just gonna use my Sephora base shadow brush to put the brown shade onto my lids. Whoa. This is so pigmented, oh my god. I'm shook. This actually has really good quality. I underestimated this little product. So now that I didn't expect it to be this pigmented, my eyes look a little dramatic. Just gonna use my trusty Sigma blending brush to blend everything out a little naturally. Now I'm just gonna grab a precision smudging brush and put this kind of shimmery golden-ish brownish color and put this in the inner corner of my eyes as well as the outer corner. I'm gonna move on to my favorite part, the Falsies. And today I'm using the Ardell Wispy lashes. These are my favorite styles in the drugstore Falsies collections. And today, as usual, I am using my trusty dual lash glue that comes with a brush to put on my lashes. And I'm just gonna brush this onto the band of the lashes. Let it dry for a few seconds. And pop this onto my lash line. I'm just gonna pop the other one onto my lash line using the same techniques. So now that my lashes are on, I am moving on to highlighter, and today I'll be using this Wet n Wild highlighting powder. Does it have a shade or something? Oh, in the shade 333B, Golden Flower Crown. It looks like this. So I'm just gonna use my Sigma highlighting brush and just grabbing some product, dust off the excess, and pop this onto the high points of my cheeks. This is actually really good. This is, whoa. Okay. And the bridge of my nose. And the tip. This lighting is just so off right now. I don't know why, but you guys can't really see that well, but it is pretty blinding. This cost only for about $5.49, so for the price, I am in love with this product. Wet n Wild, this is wild. This is actually so much better than some of my high-end highlighters, which cost for about $20 to $30, even $40 maybe. And oh my god, $5 for this. I'm so down. I'm so down to get the whole collection of their highlighters. So now that basically the whole face is done, I'm just gonna pop on some lipstick. And today I am using this soft matte lip cream from NYX in the shade 02. It smells really good. I am really digging this color right now. This whole makeup look, oh my god. It's so much better than I thought it would go. I am just so surprised by some of the products. It's just, they're so high quality. But yeah, this lip feels really just smooth and creamy, and it's not drying at all. So this is the complete makeup look. guys enjoy watching this as much as I enjoy filming this. It was so much fun actually. Making this video actually makes me want to use more drugstore makeup from now on. I mean, why do I spend so much more money on high-end products when I can spend so much less and get the same good quality products? I am digging this look. I love the highlighter and I am so in love with this lip. And let's talk about the eyeshadow. It's just so good quality. You guys have to check it out by yourselves. But yeah, I'll link everything down in the description box below. And this full face of drugstore makeup only costs for $95. If you buy a full face of the high-end makeup, you're probably looking for around $300 to $400 and beyond. So yeah, that's it for today. And if you guys haven't subscribed to yet, girl, already, click that subscribe button and also give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy watching this. And I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye.